This explains why storage is needed before mechanical processing.
The corn kernels, solid and dry, enter a hammer mill through controlled feed chutes. Inside the mill,
From the hopper, corn meal moves into a preconditioning section. Here, temperature and flow are stabilized to prepare the material for starch extraction.
the centrifuges separate the slurry into distinct streams. One stream contains rich suspension, liquid.
The starch-rich suspension, liquid, milky white, flows into secondary separation units. Here,
This shows starch is now treated as an industrial raw material, not food.
the starch suspension is gently pumped into dewatering equipment. Water begins separating from the starch solid.
As the starch moves through the dryer, moisture leaves as vapor through exhaust ducts. The product exiting the dryer.
Everything looks good here. Moisture is stable. Roger that. Data logged.
Spluppers. The starch slurry, liquid and thick, flows into a heated liquefaction reactor. Inside the liquefaction reactor, enzymes are injected into the hot starch slurry. It filled. The liquid moves into a saccharification tank where a second enzyme system is applied. Here, the glucose syrup flows through filtration units. Fine filters remove any remaining solids. The syrup becomes visually clear and uniform. Filtered glucose syrup is collected in large buffer tanks. The tanks stabilize temperature and concentration before the glucose syrup is moved through sealed pipelines toward the fermentation section, clearly indicating the next stage of the sugar's journey.
Inside the fermentation tank, microbial culture is introduced into the glucose syrup. Slow-moving
Temperature-controlled jackets around the tank maintain stable heat conditions. The fermenting liquid.
Gas vents at the top of the tank release fermentation gases in a controlled way. The fermenting broth remains fully contained.
Everything looks consistent here. The pH is right on target.
Confirmed. I've adjusted the valve for purification.
The lactic acid solution enters a pre-filtration unit. Fine filters remove remaining microbial cells.
The treated lactic acid solution enters an ion exchange column. Inside, unwanted ions are removed, improving chemical purity for polymer production.
Fluibles. After evaporation, the product becomes concentrated lactic acid, liquid, clear, slightly viscous.
Concentration levels look good on the panel.
Confirm the gauges locally. We are stable.
The concentrated lactic acid liquid enters a preheating unit before polymerization. Heat exchangers raise the
Within the reactor, lactic acid molecules begin forming long chains. The material inside changes from a free From the extruder, the PLA melt is forced through die plates and cut into strands. The strands drop directly into a
buttons. Another line shows PLA film extrusion, where molten PLA form a thin plastic film.
Got a bad edge here. Diverting this one. Okay, these are good to go.